Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another wig review. It is still entirely packaged up. I haven't even had a peek inside, so I'm really excited to do that with you guys. As we can see, it is from WeekendWigs. So I do want to say a really big thank you to WeekendWigs. They did in fact send me this wig to review for you guys. So right off the bat, I really enjoy the fact that this wig comes in a box like this. I just feel like it's way more protective in the whole shipping and courier process that it goes through. It's blonde and pink! So the wig has come packaged inside of this like Ziploc bag. You can see it also has the hairnet over it to keep all of the fibers going the right way. So underneath the wig we got some goodies. We have here a wig cap, and it does say that it's a 2-pack, so that's pretty cool. And we also have these little like bobby pins or hair clips. They've come in this really cute bag. I'll see if you can see it like this. Yes, wow, they have little bears and bunnies on them. I adore that. I'm totally going to keep that. As you can see, it is quite long. I did in fact choose one that was 24 inches in length. So this is the front of the wig. You can see all of the excess lace that it's come with for us to trim right back. And you can also see the hairline. So the hairline looks really nice in my opinion. Here is the like middle parting. I'll put some concealer under here to like try to match my skin tone somewhat. So turning it inside out, you can see how much is lace. It is just a lace front wig, which means it's just going to be this front section here. It does also have 3 of these like safety clips or whatever they are. So here's the side of the wig, and you can see how the platinum blonde kind of ombres into this bubblegum pink color. Now it is super long, like I mentioned before. It is 24 inches. It is a straight wig, I think, but you can see we do have kind of some natural flicky curls at the bottom. Maybe that's just from packaging. However, this wig is heat resistant, which means that you can straighten it or curl it just on a super low temperature. Make sure that, yeah, it's as low as it possibly can be as not to damage the wig. So I'm going to trim back the lace and apply the wig off camera. Ta-da! So this is how the wig looks once it's on. Now please do not judge my wig application. I've honestly not put on a wig for a good couple of months. We just got back from Japan last week. So yeah, I kind of thought it was like riding a bicycle. I thought it would be fine, but I struggled a little bit putting it on. Overall, I really adore this wig. I think the coloring is super cute, like platinum blonde down into the bubblegum pink. If I stand up, you can see all of it. I think the ombreing is done really nicely, and I just adore those 2 colors together. I think they call for like, I don't know, really Barbie vibes, I suppose. As for the quality of the wig, it is a synthetic wig, so it does feel like some of my other synthetic wigs, definitely on the higher end, say closer to my Arda wigs instead of the ones that I've just gotten off AliExpress in a sense. But the fibers are smooth and they're not knotting very easily. I'm running my fingers through this and I've been fluffing around with it heaps, so it's quite nice that it doesn't have any knots yet. I do always add, what is it, silicone spray to my wigs. I just find that it helps keeping them a lot smoother and stuff like that, and they get way less knots. It's a super thick wig, like you can see how thick it is at the top kind of thing. I've been combing it back because it makes it look just a bit more natural as a platinum blonde wig is going to look, I think. But yeah man, it's super thick, which is always a bonus because you are able to, you know, thin it down if you want to. Personally, I love thick wigs and I will keep it this thick just because you can do really cute hairstyles with all the extra hair, like little twin tails, one on each side, or even space buns and stuff. I enjoy having the extra hair, to be honest. So that's a lot, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you WeekendWigs for sending me this wig in the first place. I really appreciate it. It's such a cute wig. I keep looking at it in the viewfinder and just, I don't know, being super happy with it. She's lovely. I'm really excited for the next time that I'll get to wear it because we have a like Lolita high tea meetup that we're gonna go to. By we, I mean me and you. I'll probably bring you along. But yeah man, so I'm gonna be wearing my brand new dress that I got in Japan, which here it is. So it's from To Alice, and it's just, I feel like the colors are gonna be so gorgeous together. I can already see it. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Hopefully you might be excited to see that too. But anyways, I will totally link down below this exact wig that I got, as well as their general website, so you can totally go check them out and see what other goodies they have in stock. I don't know, something that might suit you. But yeah, thanks again guys. I do appreciate it, and hopefully I'll get to see you in my next video. Bye!